Hello everyone, you're watching Physio Classroom channel. My name is Abhishek and I practice as a senior physiotherapist in London. I'm also the founder and resource person of Physio Classroom channel and also the instructor for PRRT practitioner courses. And I would like to announce that I am coming to India and I will be conducting the Level 1 practitioner program in November on the 9th and 10th. So don't miss this opportunity to learn PRRT therapy and upgrade and enhance your skills of pain management. And to add on to that, you can also start learning PRRT right now at the comfort of your home by joining our Fast Start and Jump Start bundles. Once you enroll in the program, you will be able to learn step by step the basics as well as the advanced techniques of PRRT up to the level 2, and you will find it very easy to diagnose patients and also to treat them at reflex speed. And to add on to that, once you register in our home program courses, you need not to pay anything extra and you can just come straight away to attend the live seminar and enhance your skills. So block your dates now and register for the PRRT seminar upcoming in India, November 9th and 10th. See you there.